What if I told you there's a secret month when Europe is cheaper, the weather is perfect, and you get the world's most famous sights almost to yourself? That month is September. Today, I'm taking you on a wild ride through the 10 best places to visit in Europe this September, packed with insider hacks, wild budget tips, and hidden gems. Let's get started. But first, smash that subscribe button if you want more travel secrets like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Number 10. Santorini, Greece. September here is pure magic. 25 degrees, blue skies, and sunset so good you'll want to move in. Here's the hack. Hotel prices drop up to 40% after August, so you get those iconic cave houses for half the summer price. Pro tip: book your Oya sunset dinner 2 days ahead. Those tables go fast, even without the crowds. Swim at volcanic beaches still warm from the summer sun, and grab a ferry from Athens for under 50 euros. Santorini in September? It's Instagram heaven without the tourist stampede. Number 9. Tuscany, Italy, during grape harvest. The hills turn gold, the air smells like wine, and you can join a real grape picking party for just 50 euros, lunch and wine included. Rent a car for 30 euros a day, hit tiny towns like San Gimignano, and stay in a farmhouse for 60 to 100 euros a night. September means the crowds are gone, the sunsets are fire, and every meal tastes like a Michelin star. Want the real Italian dream? Tuscany in September, is it? Number 8. Prague, Czech Republic. September flips this city into a fairy tale. Golden leaves, cool 20-degree weather, and 0 lines at the castle. Beer for 2 euros, hearty meals for 8, and boutique hotels for 40 to 70 euros a night. Climb Petrin Hill for a free sunset view that'll blow up your socials. Pro tip: the astronomical clock show is actually visible in September. No crowd crush. Prague is Europe's best deal for fall vibes and medieval magic. Number 7. Dubrovnik, Croatia. September brings 24-degree days, warm sea, and those famous walls without the tourist mobs. Walk the ramparts for 35 euros or hop a ferry to the Elefiti Islands for secret beaches at 25 euros round trip. Stay inside the old city for 80 to 120 euros a night. Don't miss the cable car at sunset. 12 euros for a view you'll never forget. Dubrovnik in September. It's GOT-level epic minus the dragons. Number 6. Barcelona, Spain. September means 24 degrees, warm sea, and locals finally back from holiday. The city's alive, the best restaurants reopen, and you can ride the metro all day for just 8 euros. Tapas tours start at 35 euros, and you'll find secret bars tourists never see. Stay near Las Ramblas for 60 to 90 euros a night, and book your flamenco show early. September is when the best dancers return. Barcelona's energy, absolutely unbeatable. Number 5. The Swiss Alps. September is hiking paradise. Crisp air, insane views, and those famous peaks with the first snow. Grab a Swiss travel pass for 272 euros. 3 days, all trains, buses, even some cable cars. Stay in a mountain chalet for 100 to 150 euros a night. Pro tip: the Zermatt to Gornergrat train is a must. Think postcard views every second. Most trails are empty, the lakes are glassy, and the scenery? Absolutely next level. Before we dive into the top 4, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm dropping new travel guides every week, and next up is the Asia guide you've all been asking for. Let's keep exploring. Number 4. Vienna, Austria. September here is all about elegance. 20-degree days, golden gardens, and a city that feels like a movie set. Museums like the Kunsthistorisches are just 16 euros, and palaces like Schönbrunn are way less crowded. Grab coffee at Café Central for 4 euros and channel your inner Mozart. Stay near the Ringstrasse for 70 to 110 euros a night, and catch a classical concert at the State Opera. Tickets from just 15 euros. Vienna in September is pure imperial magic. Number 3. Amsterdam, Netherlands. September means perfect cycling weather. 15 to 20 degrees, golden light, and empty bike lanes. Rent a bike for 12 euros a day, cruise the canals, and hit up the Rijksmuseum and Van Gogh Museum with a 65 euro pass. No summer lines. Stay in a canal house for 80 to 120 euros. Pro tip: September hotel rates drop by 30%, so you can splurge on that room with a view. Amsterdam in autumn? It's the definition of cozy cool. Number 2. Edinburgh, Scotland. September is absolutely prime here. The festival crowds have just left, so you get all the charm and none of the chaos. The weather's crisp. Think 16 degrees Celsius. Perfect for wandering Old Town, climbing Arthur's Seat for those panoramic views, or exploring the castle for just 17 euros. The Royal Mile is buzzing with street performers and cozy pubs. Try haggis for 12 euros and wash it down with a local whiskey. Stay on Princes Street for 60 to 100 euros a night, and if you're feeling adventurous, rent a car for 25 euros a day and drive the North Coast 500 to Scotland's most epic road trip without the tour bus prices. Edinburgh in September? It's pure Scottish magic. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, because number 1 is going to blow your mind. This is the kind of insider info I share with my travel family every week, so hit subscribe and let's go. And at number 1, Paris, France. September is when the city feels like it's just for you. Parisians are back, the weather's a perfect 20 degrees Celsius, and the golden light on the Seine is unreal. Here's the hack. Pre-fix lunch menus from 11:30 to 2 p.m. Half the price of dinner, same legendary food. Snag a museum pass for 78 euros and skip every line, or cruise the Seine for just 15 euros. Stay in the Marais for 90 to 140 euros a night and soak up those iconic cafe vibes. Paris in September is romantic, affordable, and totally unforgettable. That's your ultimate September Europe bucket list. Which destination sparked your wanderlust? Drop your dream spot in the comments below. I love reading about your travel plans and hidden gems. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more cinematic journeys and insider travel tips. Next week, we're exploring Asia's most magical hidden gems. Don't miss it.